I saw you somewhere before. You famous?
No, I wish.
Yeah, but I never see such a beautiful one ever in my.
Oh, thank you.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Texas. You look absolutely so genuine and so pretty enough.
Thank you.
I'm from
Where you
Bangladesh. I'm from
oh,
Bangladesh.
where's that at? It's like
It's like, but let me ask you another question. Like, do you know any countries from South Asia?
some.
Some like, what are they?
I can't, I don't know. I never really studied history. I just know the names. I don't really know the areas and regions.
Yeah, but you know China, Pakistan, India.
Hmm.
So my country is just near of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's cool.
absolutely. How old are you?
19.
19. You are not looking like 19, but below of 19, like 16, 17, like this.
Dude, I get so many people telling me that.
Seriously. So how do you carry yourself that you keep your face up like so much young?
I don't do anything. I think it's just genetics, honestly.
Yeah, genetically, everybody, it seems like that. What do you do for a living though?
I work construction.
Construction?
Yeah.
Beautiful. But you guys really think of your future from early of your age. Okay. That is very good for future life.
I feel like I don't know, for me it was different. I really didn't think about what I wanted to do when I was young. I just kind of I waited really long and late, I feel like, and then I just once I turned 18 it was like, "Oh, I just got to do something, make money." And so I just started working.
Do you have any venture in the future that you want to do this or like you want to build a business or something else?
I don't know. I used to want to do welding. I wanted to go to school for that, but I feel like it's a waste of money because it was just for me the cheaper option of school. To do welding was cheaper. I really want to do nursing if I had the money to go to school for it.
So spending in school like a wasting of money, you think that?
Well, I just don't have the money for it. So between welding and nursing, welding was the cheaper option. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll do that, but I don't want to just go for the cheaper option. If I can get the money, then I do nursing. But if I can't, then I guess I will just keep doing construction till I die, I guess.
Oh, okay, okay. So you have decided to be this constructor and thus you keep doing this. So you feel positive in future that you will have a very good life with this work.
I can't really say that. I feel like it's a mix of everything, with the way everything's going over here, it's kind of hard because everything just keeps getting more expensive. So it's like, at what point is everybody not going to be able to afford anything?
But you don't find anybody in your life that he the person can really help you like for building a good future. Like you need to really how do I disclose it is like share with your boyfriend. You don't have anybody
I mean, yes and no. It's kind of complicated.
in your country.
Yeah.
So sad. Look, like you, I think you're supposed to get such a beautiful, kind person as well as you are.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, but sadly, I'm not there. If I were there, of course, as a friend, I would help you like how to sort it out as well, everything. So, so you don't have boyfriend.
I do. I just don't know how long that's going to last.
Oh, but does he not help you?
Not really. He kind of just comes home and sleeps.
That doesn't make sense, seriously.
Yeah.
Having a best friend, that doesn't mean that we're gonna have just time at night, just sleep and go out. It doesn't make sense, seriously. In every aspect, whether it's bad and good, they should have a side of you, right?